Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you approach scanning and digitization. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has quickly become the go-to company for all your 3D scanning needs. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to delivering high-quality results. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that every scan is accurate and detailed. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large-scale project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and resources to handle it with precision. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of speed and efficiency. They strive to provide quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. This means you can have your scans delivered in a timely manner without sacrificing accuracy. No matter how tight your deadlines may be, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is dedicated to meeting them and exceeding your expectations. Not only does Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offer exceptional 3D scanning services, but they also provide a wide range of additional services to enhance your projects. From CAD modeling to reverse engineering, their team of experts can assist you in transforming your scans into functional models. With their help, you can bring your ideas to life in a way that was previously unimaginable. What truly sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a personalized approach. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and tailor their services accordingly. From start to finish, you can count on Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to deliver exceptional results while providing excellent customer service. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Gurgaon, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This company is revolutionizing the way we capture and digitize objects in 3 dimensions. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the forefront of the 3D scanning industry. Whether you are in the fields of engineering, architecture, or even entertainment, their services will undoubtedly meet and exceed your expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies offering 3D scanning services is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. They utilize state-of-the-art scanners that capture every intricate aspect of an object, ensuring a highly accurate representation in the digital world. This level of precision is crucial for industries such as manufacturing, where even the smallest errors can have significant consequences. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's services, you can rest assured that your scanned objects will be as close to perfection as possible. The convenience factor is another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice for